Hello traders, hope you all had a good expiry, right? At least better than last week. All day long Nifty was swinging between 15,735 to 15,885. It was super volatile, but it was just in a range of 150 to 200 points. But today Reliance was not there to save Nifty like what we experienced in the past two trading session. On the other hand, if you see, while Nifty was not performing, Bank Nifty was performing, or it ended in the green. Thanks to Axis Bank, which was up by 1.80%, HDFC Bank was really flat. I think it was up by 0.30%. ICICI Bank was also flat. It was up by 0.63%. SBI was performing good. It was up by 1.48%. And Kotak Mahindra Bank, which was up by 1.15%. So Bank Nifty managed to end in the green. Otherwise, if it was not Bank Nifty, market would have gone below 15,700, which is considered as a support for Nifty, right? Now, what next, or what is going to be the market trajectory? As you may know, and as I talk to you, US futures are already in the red. Dow future is down by 1.35%, S&P is down by 1.59%, and Nasdaq is down by 1.79%. So probably there might be a gap down tomorrow. If at all Nifty gaps down below 15,700, it may try to regain 15,700, and if it still gap downs above 15,700, it may try to sustain above 15,700. So you know what has to be done, right? Short the market if it gaps down below 15,700 tomorrow, and if it sustains above 15,700, just write some put option, maybe 15,500 put. And for Bank Nifty, for Bank Nifty to go on the upside, it has to cross above 33,700, and that's what it has been trying to do for the last three trading session, but couldn't. Let's see what is going to happen and how things pan out. And let me tell you, for the markets to go upside, we need some really positive news which is missing. Now people are, now people are talking about not only about inflation but also recession. That's why you can see that 10-year bond yield, which is still above, I think it's above 3.033%, which is very high. And not only that, US VIX is almost, I think it's going to touch 30. So it's wise to short the market, but what is very surprising is that India VIX has cooled down a bit. I wouldn't say much, but very small. I think it's down by 0.5% or something. It's around 21, right? And SGX Nifty is also showing positive, or I think it's flats. That's the Indian market. That's the deal about the Indian markets, right? So let's see how things pan out. I don't want to speculate much. And if you see the FII figures, FIIs, they have sold a lot, and they will continue to sell. FIIs, our big brothers, FIIs till date, or for the June series alone, sold I think around 57,475 crores, and I'm sure they are going to continue selling the Indian markets. Indian markets are too expensive. That could be the reason they are just abandoning the Indian markets. Otherwise, if we are getting support from FIIs, really our market will sustain and our markets are performing when you compare with other markets. Like if you see the US market, already Dow Jones is down by more than 20%, S&P is down by more than 20%, Nasdaq is hit hard, it is down by more than 30%. But still we are sustaining, means maybe, as our finance minister told, maybe retailers are supporting this market. But who knows how things are going to span out. And overall picture is negative only. And if you see today's price action, like if you see today was the end of June series. June series. and it was not bad. Many traders had made money this month, and unlike what May month, this month we made a good profit, but the problem was we used only very less, significantly less capital. We downsized our positions also, positional sizing also we downsized significantly. So that could be the reason why we made a good profit. And not only that, our members who attended, our members also who follow us on in our app also made a good percentage. I think they made around 9% return on investment with the 2.5 lakh rupees. So that program is designed for small time traders, right? So apart from that, as I told you, let us see how US futures are performing as of now. Yeah, and I see, yeah, I think still Dow Jones is down by point. I think when our market closed, Dow Jones was down by I think 350 points. Now it is 300 points. S&P, Nasdaq, Europe is also down. Europe is very bad. Europe is down by more than 2%. Whether it is DAX, German, France, or FTSE, everything is down by at least 2% or above 2%. So let's see how things pan out. That's what I can say about the market. The market really need good positive news for us to go on the upside. If we don't have any negative news, or if we are getting support from FIIs, I am sure our market will perform better than other markets. So that's what I think about the Indian stock market. And if you could remember, just 2 or 3 days back, yeah, just 2 or 3 days back, yeah, I think on 26th of June, I posted a video about this long-term option. So what I told in that video is that if you are afraid of selling short-term options, if you are afraid of selling weekly or monthly option, go and sell long-term option, maybe call option you can sell. I told that 20,000 call option, right? 20,000 call option is trading at 60 rupees. You can go and sell that call option. And do you know how much it is trading for now? At the time when I posted this video, it was trading at around 65 rupees, 62 rupees. Now it is trading at 57 rupees. You see here, it is trading at 57 rupees. Without any hiccups, without any adjustment, without spending brokerages, without contributing to government, your broker, Zebu, you would have made good money. Like what we are doing now, we are fighting in the short term. Had you gone in for a long term, you would have made good money, right? So consider long term option also, so that you can avoid these noises which are happening in short term options, right? So anyway, good, not a bad expiry, not a bad June series. In fact, many traders are in profit. Let us see how July spans out. And I'm sure it is going to be very volatile, but I also believe it will be in a very short range. And you know, Indian markets are very resilient. It is not ready to go on the downside. I don't know what is the reason. For one or other reason, even if it goes on the downside, the upside is going to be very sharp recovery. So that's what I think. And many people talk about 12,000, 13,000, market may even touch 10,000, they are saying. We really don't know. And as I told you, they talk about inflation, they talk about recession also. US is heading towards recession. That also we don't know how it is going to span out, or how it is going to affect our Indian markets, right? So let's hope for the best. Happy trading, and see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.